Hello, in today's video, let us understand about subtraction of integers. When we are subtracting two numbers, we get the answer and the answer is called as difference. Difference between the two numbers is the answer of subtraction, right? From which number we will be subtracting, taking away another number. That number is called as minute, M-I-N-U-E-N-D, minute, right? And the number which we will be taking away is called as subtrahend. S-U-B-T-R-A-H-E-N-D. Here we need to subtract 2 from 3. What is subtraction? Subtraction is when we find out how much is left when we take away some things from a group, right? So if we take away 2 from 3, how many will be left? That we'll have to find out. So 3 is a positive number, also 2. On the number line, we have already learnt in addition that to add positive numbers, we need to move to the right. But in subtraction, we will have to move to the left. Whenever we are subtracting positive numbers, we have to move to the left. When we are subtracting positive numbers only. When we are subtracting negative numbers, we'll have to move to the right. But when we are subtracting positive numbers, we'll have to move to the left on the number line. So here is number 3. From number 3, we'll have to move to the left. How many times? 2 times. 1, 2. We reach the number 1. Yes, therefore, positive 3 minus positive 2 is equal to 1. For an example, I have 3 chocolates and out of 3 chocolates, I gave 2 chocolates to my friend. So, 1 chocolate is left with me. Look at one more example. Here, I have positive 2 and positive 3 which needs to be subtracted. Like I have 2 chocolates and I have to give away 3 chocolates. Subtraction means taking away. How to do it on integers? We'll understand through the number line. Here, as it is positive, as both the numbers are positive and we are subtracting, we will move by 3 numbers to the left. That is from 2, positive 2, we will be moving 3 numbers to the left. 1, 2, 3. If we move 3 numbers to the left, we will reach number minus 1. That is negative 1. Here we can say that when I have 2 chocolates, if I have to give somebody 3 chocolates, what can I do? I'll have to borrow 1 chocolate from someone else. Yes, I have to owe 1 more chocolate so that it becomes 3 chocolate and I can give somebody the 3 chocolates. But for me, it will be negative 1 because that negative 1 I have to return it to the person from whom I have taken that, from whom I have owned it, right? So the answer is negative 1. Look at one more example. Here we'll understand to subtract integers without using number line. Here we need to remember when subtracting integers, first we need to change the operation to addition. Plus sign, minus sign, we have to change it into plus sign and then get the opposite of subtrahend. Subtrahend is 7 and it is in positive number. That positive number we have to change it as negative 7. Positive sign will change it as negative 7. Now add as we added integers. When adding opposite signs, forget the plus sign and just find the difference between the given two numbers. That is 5 and 7. What is the difference between 5 and 7? 2 is the difference. Yes, 2 is the difference and we just have to copy the sign of the bigger number. What is the sign of the bigger number? 7. So, minus 2 is the answer. Look at one more example here. Here, negative 965 minus 310. 30. We are already in minus, that is negative 965. From that again we'll have to take away 330. Means I already have debt of 965 rupees. Upon that again I am taking 330 rupees as debt. Then what will be the number we'll have to find out. Yes. So here we have to think as it is moving to the left on the number line, because here we are dealing with negative numbers, right? Start with 900 and minus 965 on the number line and subtract 330. That is, change the minus sign to plus sign. So here what is 965 plus 330? 5, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. So, then add the minus sign. So, it will be minus 1295 as we move to the left on the number line. You can think as already I have debt of 965 rupees. Again, minus means taking away, right? Again, I am taking 330 rupees as debt. So, I have to return 1295 rupees, which will be in negative. Students, I hope the video was useful for understanding subtraction of integers. Thanks for watching and keep supporting.